Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the configuration segment overview. From the diary screen, click on a navigation wheel. Configuration segment is the management and setup of certain features within the GoodX web to allow you to manage the software to the specific needs of the practice or user. Please note this is the default setup of the segment and the navigation bar items. They can be customized to the needs of the preferences of the practice. For more information on the customization of the configuration segment, please refer to the General Settings and Navigation Wheel Settings user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a configuration segment. The Cash Register Management screen will open. The cash register is used to manage the payments made by patients for the services rendered by the practice. All cash registers that have been set up will be listed, and if no cash registers have been set up, the list will be blank. For more information on cash registers, please refer to the Cash Register user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a Practitioners tab. The Practitioners list will open. A working list of practitioners will appear that have been set up on the practice's system. A working list allows you to add, edit, delete and undelete practitioners from the list. The number will include the details of each practitioner as registered with the HPCSA, such as the practitioner's name, surname, practice number, PHF number, dispensing license, specialty, etc. For more information on a doctor's list, please refer to the List of Doctors user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Audit Log tab. The Audit Log screen will open. A register of events for all transactions and actions that were performed on a specific transaction can be viewed on the Audit Log screen. An audit log gives you information about when actions were triggered in the software and the details of who performed the actions. For more information on the audit log, please refer to the Audit Log user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the DAMA Setup tab. The Disease Administration and Management Assistance screen will open. DAMA can assist you with treatment plan for patients with regard to their condition. For more information on the DAMA setup, please refer to the DAMA user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Workflow Event Type Info and Management tab. The Workflow Event Type Info and Management screen will open with a list of all the workflow events that are currently on the system. Workflow events are actions that are created in the system to integrate tasks and forms as part of the clinical information. For more information on how to customize examination forms, please refer to the Workflow Event Customizable Examination Form user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the ERA Management tab. The ERA Badger screen will open. ERAs are used as a reference for bulk payment run from medical aid and allow the importing of payments that have been made toward the debtor's account into the GoodX system. For more information on the ERA Management screen, please refer to the WA ERA Management Screen Overview user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the User Management tab. The User Management screen will open. User management controls who has access to which features of the software. For more information on the User Management screen, please refer to the User Management user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Profile Setup tab. The Profile Setup screen will open. Setting up profiles for data statements allows you to specify information and settings associated with each data statement, such as the frequency issuing statements, the layout or format of the statement, and any customization options available. You are able to create several profiles to suit the needs of the practice. For more information on a data statement profile, please refer to the Data Statement Profile List user manual linked in this video's description.